Perfect meat pie is what everyone can make at home. You only need to know the do's and don'ts. That is why I've brought you this perfect, easy recipe for you to enjoy the next meat pie you'll be making. Don't let me talk much. Let us get it started. In a pot, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil. Into it, I'll add chopped onions. And I'm just going to fry this for about a minute. After that, I added the minced meat I'll be using. Thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for loving my videos. Newcomers, you're welcome. Please don't forget to share so that you can have the recipe whenever you're ready to make your next meat pie. Into it, I added salt and I'm going to add seasoning. After that, I added garlic powder. And I'm adding thyme. I added curry. And I also added habanero pepper. Feel free to use dried pepper if habanero is not available. I'm just going to mix everything together and fry until everything turns brown. At the stage that everything is brown, I'm going to add diced potato into it. I added diced carrots, diced onion. I'm just going to mix them all together. Thanks for watching this video up to this stage. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So into it now, I'm going to add flour. And I'm going to add water into it. I gave it a gentle stir. And it's now time to cover it and cook under low to medium heat for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I opened it. This is super ready. The aroma is super and it tasted already yummy. So for it to cool down quickly, I transferred it into another plate and allowed it to cool down completely. In this bowl, what I have here is the all-purpose flour. I added salt into it and I also added baking powder. I mixed all the dry ingredients together. Into the flour mixture, I added cold butter. Please make sure you cut your butter into the sizes. Keep it in the fridge and allow it to cool. Now mix everything together with your hands. It is so simple and it's very easy. Combine them very well until it becomes like this. So after that, it's time to add water. Please add cold water. Cold water. Keep some water in your fridge and use it for the mixture. Now I mix them together. Please, very important, don't knead the dough. You don't need to over mix it. Just make sure they are well combined together. Allow it to be in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, flour your work surface and take part of the dough. Put it on that work surface. It's now time to roll it out. Now I'm going to use this round pot cover. You can use a big cup and cut it round like this. Here is the filling. It is cool already, so I'm just going to take some of it, put it at the center of the dough. Now I close the dough together like this. I'm just going to use this fork to close the edges very well. This is very important if you want it to come out very perfect. Close the edges into this pan that I've creamed already with some butter. That is where I'm going to place the meat pie dough. And that is how I'm going to repeat the same process until I finished it like this. I'm just going to use the same fork to poke it on it just to give it those holes, and I'm going to egg wash it with this yolk, a yolk and 2 tablespoonfuls of water mixed together. That is what I'm using. I will be placing it in 190 centigrade oven. I'll bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, and after that, this is what you're going to have. Lovelies, this is perfect. This is very, very delicious. I bet you are going to love it if you give it a try. Please let me know how much you enjoyed this in the comment section. I would love to see that. Please don't forget to come back and give a feedback. Enjoy.